Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making pressure cooker easy Swedish meatballs. Alright guys, this is a real easy Swedish meatball recipe. It's only 4 ingredients, 6 minutes to cook it, and it's really delicious. I'm going to start out in my Cook's Essential pressure cooker Holly got me, which I really love by the way guys. This is made by GoWise. I did my research and that's a good name brand of pressure cookers. I'm going to start by dumping a 32-ounce bag of frozen meatballs, and this is home style once they're not Italian seasoned. Okay, now I have a 16-ounce bag of wide egg noodles. I'm going to go ahead and get them in there. Alright, now I have two 12-ounce jars of beef gravy. I'm using Heinz home style. You can use any kind you like. I'm just going to go ahead and get both jars down in there. And I'm going to put 1 jar of water in, 1 12-ounce jar, but I'm going to rinse both jars out with the water to get that good gravy out. So I'm going to go ahead and fill the first jar up and then transfer it over into the other jar and have a little bit extra water there. So I'm just going to go ahead and shake this guy up. And then I'm going to dump it in the other jar and get the gravy out of that one. Because you want to get as much beef flavor as you can in this, and you don't want to waste that gravy in the jar. And I'm just going to dump my water down in there. Now I'm going to grab a spoon and just give this a quick stir. Just want to blend it around a little bit. Okay, I'm going to seal my lid on here. Make sure I'm set on seal. Okay, now I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 6 minutes. We're going to do it on high pressure. And when my 6 minutes are up, we'll do a quick release of the pressure on that. Alright guys, now that my time's up, I stirred this. I'm going to put in about a half a cup of sour cream. And this is just going to help make it just that much more creamier. And I'm just going to, let me grab a towel here to hold my pot. I'm just going to go ahead and stir that in. And you just want to mix it in here. Now, I would probably go for 3 jars of gravy and a jar and a half of water. That way there you have that extra liquid you need. I mean, this is fine, but next time I'll use 3 jars of gravy. I'm just going to stir this in here good. Okay guys, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I went ahead and garnished this with a little bit of parsley for some extra color. Let me get in here and try it. I'll start with the pasta first. Now my pasta's al dente, but it's good. Tastes that good beef gravy flavor through it. Let me try some of these meatballs. Now they're good and tender. If you want your pasta a little more softer, I would give it like 8 minutes. Meatballs are good. Tastes that good beef gravy from the meatballs and the gravy, or that good beef flavor. And the sour cream gives it a nice creaminess. So it was really easy guys, 4 ingredients, there you have it. Pressure cooker easy Swedish meatballs. Give it a try, thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.